Little bugs crawling into his beard. Like I could see them crawling in.
Yeah.
You ready to adventure?
I'm ready for this. Cheers. I hate it so much.
So previously, I went on my first cruise with my boyfriend. Stop number 1 was Catalina Island. We went on a boat excursion and saw all the dolphins. We found out what this building was, and then we touched it. Romantically.
Link with me.
We did it!
Oh, yes.
We made it! Stop number 1 was a success, and stop number 2 is Ensenada, Mexico. Today we're going into Ensenada and we're gonna go ziplining and maybe find some tacos. Here's the view from the deck this morning. Ooh! It's a little foggy outside, so I don't know how the ziplining trip's gonna go, but we're gonna check it out. Get comfy. Now, Ensenada isn't the most beautiful of cities, but we drove out into the country.
The place that we're going to, it's called Cuatro Cuatros. It means 4 fours.
Now, 4 Fours is a really pretty winery out in the country, and it's also where we're gonna put our harnesses on and head out to our zipline adventure. When this lady came and took it away from me.
You're gonna change your harness, okay? Okay. What's wrong with it?
You need a special one.
I need a special one.
Why do I need a special harness? So they got me a new harness. I put it on. Let's ask Skyler if my new harness fit.
Yep.
Why'd they give me a special harness? Apparently, I was very concerned about this harness thing. But seriously, I need to know why I had to get a different harness. You have a misshaped body. Do I have an unharnessable body?
Definitely not.
Definitely not. Is it because my legs are hairy? Why? I did want the wedgie harness. That was successful. Okay, we've moved past the harness thing. Now we're putting on helmets and oh wait, no, we haven't moved past the harness thing. Is it because of my big booty?
Yeah, like.
Did they give me the big booty harness?
We need the booty.
Why did they give me a special harness? Girl is concerned. Thankfully, I had a bit of a distraction. Oh yeah, it's a good luck.
I feel like I could do anything with this thing on.
Oh, hello, Skyler. Can we get like a full cardboard cutout of you in that harness, by the way? Yeah. Can you get me that for Christmas?
It's for Christmas.
I'll sleep with it at night in my she shed. I like how it hikes up your shorts. It's so cute. It's a good look. Like, I'm just gonna be over here sexualizing my boyfriend. Sorry, boot it. I'm so excited for this. We're at a winery, and then we're gonna take the shuttle up into the mountains and do a little adventure. Oh my gosh. Ready for school. You ready to adventure?
I'm ready for this. Cheers.
Well, we took a very bumpy ride through the hills of Ensenada. I'm scared. Well, if ziplining sucks, at least the ride up there was fun. This is why we need the helmets for this part, not ziplining.
Gonna get you rocky dirt roads.
We're just loosening up our hips for later.
You're welcome.
Something I'm learning about Skyler is that he's the in-flight entertainment. This was like a really bumpy ride through the mountains. I'm just happy I'm not driving and not everything in my she shed is going to be destroyed at the end of this trip. Your gun is digging into my head. What is this? Yeah, a little bit. So after we got off the shuttle, we start with the booty climber workout. It's really gorgeous out here. It's similar to Southern California. Ooh! Oh, I think you'll get a little rush.
Just like that.
Can we go upside down?
The upside down, pull down.
So I learned that we in fact cannot go upside down. What I also learned is it's a bit more of a drop than I expected. Okay, I just got a little nervous because I didn't expect it to be that far. Do a somersault! I'm just gonna go like this the whole time. Whee!
Give him the ball. I'm not doing that.
Like upside down. Okay, I'm getting excited. So I've heard stories of ziplining adventures being a little underwhelming, but this one looks fun. And it was the highest rated excursion on the Carnival website, so we're doing it. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't know. I'm not afraid of heights, but I definitely was not mentally prepared for this zip line.
You ready for this?
So we made a friend. This is Lisa from New York. She takes some videos of us later, which was super sweet. And she also took one for the team and went first on the zip line. She's a brave one. Going first. Thanks, Lisa from New York.
Are you scared?
Look at my indoor cat doing all the outdoor cat things.
Readjust yourself.
Put all the bits. Do I just go, he says. Do I just go? No.
Just run and take off.
I was still kind of nervous, so Skyler was sweet and went first. Hold on to your flip-flops.
Adios.
Bye-bye. By the way, Skyler's doing a cooking vlog. We're having vlog wars in the kitchen.
It's like a dueling vlog.
We are. I'm like recording while you're recording. Skyler's cooking.
Dueling vlogs, cooking vlog, ziplining vlog.
I'm editing.
All at the same time.
All the things.
Just pretend I'm not here.
There were gnats and mosquitoes and other gigantic bugs of death. Tell me if I have bugs in my teeth, right?
They're in my eyes as we speak. Oh, get away, bugs.
Ready?
She's doing up the squatty one. This is a small one. But watch how good she makes it look.
That was so fun, except for I got like little gnats right in my eyeballs. And now I'd like to formally invite you to the Bug of Death Ballet. No, that was not a bird flying at my face. That was just a gigantic bug. Actually, do you see one in my eye?
Gnats in the balls are the worst. You get it?
I don't know.
I don't know. They keep getting up in my
in your helmet?
They're
You can feel them in your head?
They're dancing in my helmet.
It was fun though. It's a little bit of a rush, but not too bad. There's 5 total, so that was fun. I liked it a lot. So we are on a vineyard, so at the end, there might be a little glass of wine at the end of our tour. So if you're into wine, highly recommend this little adventure. Nature is my church, it's my therapy, and I'm mildly obsessed with wildflowers.
Oh, cute flowers.
Purple flowers, escuchando a Taquiti. Siempre en mi mente cuando piense en ti. Hablando
Butterfly, yuccas, yucca. I'm in heaven. We took the indoor cat outdoors. How you doing?
Yeah, I just don't know what all this is about.
Yeah. I'm the outdoor cat, he's the indoor cat, so we trade off adventures. He introduces me to a little more luxury, and then he's a good sport and goes outdoors with me. Whew. That one was the best view. It's so pretty. You look down and there were just a ton of wildflowers. This was by far my favorite. I think it was zipline number 3, and it was the longest one. They tell you to tuck your knees so you have enough momentum to make it to the end, or else this happens. You kind of slow down at the end though. Oh gosh. We had to go out and get her. That was funny. So you slow down quite a bit at the end. On number 3 is the most pretty view. We'll take you guys with me on the next one. Yeah.
It's like the butt hammock kind of impedes my movement.
Wait, what did you just say?
The butt hammock kind of impeded my movement. It was restrictive.
Yeah.
I mean, I like a good harness, I guess, but not restrictive. I'm gonna go order one right now.
Butt hammock.
I'm gonna go order one. Butt hammock.
Hashtag butt hammocks. I love hiking with a butt hammock. It's my favorite type of hike.
There it is, the butt hammock.
So we've done 3 zip lines, and how are you feeling?
I was having a ton of fun. It was really pretty being up in the hills. I loved watching you talk to your flowers, sing to your flowers, touch your flowers, embrace your flowers, all the flower stuff. Zip lines were fun, but after being in a vineyard for over 2 hours, and then some wine.
I see why you're walking so fast. You're like, there's wine at the end of this. All right, we give it 5 stars.
5 stars.
5. There's wine at the end of the rainbow. Plus, it was like a fun bus ride, the chitty chitty bang bang style.
With the wine, I give it 5 stars and 2 bits.
And 2 bits.
2 bits.
2 bits. I loved every second of this excursion. It was the highest rated excursion on the Carnival website. So if you ever do a cruise to Ensenada, definitely do the Zipline excursion.
And try the wine while you're there.
Fun fact, I felt more safe in Mexico because Skyler speaks fluent Spanish. Goodbye, my love. Okay, so our guide literally has his coat over his head because there are so many dang bugs. You're getting attacked.
Skylar's ready. Cinco libre.
Thank you, Lisa from New York. We love you, girl. And by the way, it was Lisa's birthday that day. Woohoo! Birthday girl coming in hot.
There's a birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
Happy birthday!
Well, we're getting our wiggles out, and then I'm gonna go back to the ship and eat our faces off. All right, get out of the bug zone. And just when we thought we made it, the adventure was just getting started. We saw dogs. We saw horses. I did not catch it on camera, but we saw a snake. We drove through a large tunnel.
Yo no me atrevo a bailar arriba de esa tarima. Yo no me atrevo a bailar arriba de esa tarima. Con esas bailadoras que vuelan con cada rima.
And much to our surprise,
They're having to rebuild the roads as we go here. Build it. Build it, baby.
we'll just wait for this plow to make a new road for us. But I was happy because there were plenty of wildflowers to gaze at. But does anybody know what this huge wildflower is? It's got really long petals and the anthers are probably this big around.
Llegaron las bailadoras y ellas llegaron primero. Llegaron las bailadoras y ellas llegaron primero.
And Skyler was especially fond of the flowers.
There's more right.
He's making fun of me, isn't he? By the way, if you made it this far in the video, tell me if you are an indoor or an outdoor cat. I want to know down in the comments. Now we're back to the winery for a little pee-pee break. Most luxurious bathrooms here. They even have little fish when you're washing your hands. The vineyard. Now, where did my indoor cat go? Oh, there he is. Oh, it's so pretty right now. Did you find?
Oaky afterbirth.
It does have an Oaky afterbirth.
A bit of an Oaky afterbirth.
Who knows what show that's from? If you know, you're my new best friend. I'll give you a hint. It's The Office. No, I typically don't like Merlot, but that's good. That's
It is good.
It's
I actually
sweet.
like the oakiness thereof.
It's good. The oakiness thereof and what have you. The taste of Ensenada. Now we're back to the Carnival Radiance and oh, it's so radiant. He's humongous. We saw a beached seal, which was fun, and now it's time for burritos with a view. We sat and enjoyed the view, and then we snuck into the piano bar we went to last night, and we sat there and sang for at least an hour.
What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
And then we accidentally got a wee bit tipsy. And by tipsy, I mean Skyler drank an entire fishbowl all by himself. I drank a couple pina coladas, more on that in tomorrow's video. And then it was the great cupcake incident of 2023. So I got a chocolate covered strawberry, dressed up in a little tuxedo, and Skyler wanted the dulce de leche cupcake. It sounded like a winner, but then this happened.
Okay, let me set the scene. He fed me a piece of cake.
Which sounds not only delicious, but romantic.
This is my impression of Danna trying a piece of cake. She literally did this. I hate it so much.
It was crusty, like a crouton.
No, she thanked me by spewing it out of her mouth. And it wasn't that bad. No, it was that bad. That was the worst cupcake ever.
It was bad. It touched my tongue and I was immediately like,
I hate it so much.
But I love Skyler's reenactment, especially the part at the end.
I hate it so much.
Excellent reenactment, Skyler. That was actually very accurate.
So much. Makes you really feel good having bought the dessert.
Oh no. No, because I was like, I don't like cake. I don't want it.
You literally
and then
pulled
he
it out
fed
of your
it.
mouth in a half second.
It was gross.
In a half second, and you put it away.
You could break this. It's hard.
It's pretty dry.
It was pretty bad, but I'm just not really a cake person in general. I'm more of a frosting type of gal.
She wants nothing but pure frosting.
I don't like cake.
So I'm gonna give it to her. I just wanted you to go, they would never know.
So I love it.
How do you mess up frosting? I don't understand.
This is pretty gross. I haven't had one good dessert yet. Actually, chocolate covered strawberry was good though.
How about this right here? Did you like that?
I don't. Nothing to see here.
That is when you're in your mouth. Damn it. I think I'm done.
It's not
really
great.
Not good.
It's not good. Anyway, squirrel.
So remember earlier when we went ziplining and there were giant bugs of death everywhere?
Tell me if I have bugs in my teeth.
In my eyes as we speak.
Well, cut to later that evening.
What are you doing right now?
So I found another mosquito bite. It's between my freaking knuckles. So there's a couple there. Those hurt. Yeah, there's one in here.
Oh.
Yeah.
You have a bug bite in between your fingers?
Yeah. I don't know if you can even see.
How many bug bites do you think you
Probably
have?
20. And I was in a group of 30 people, so I helped everyone. So I probably have 30.
I have 0.
Skyler must be delicious. You're delicious.
The bugs think Skyler's delicious?
I kind of do too. I love me some hip swivels. I love that southern lady that comes out of me sometimes. I just love her. We should name her Juanita.
Ramona.
Juanita Ramona Jones. We all have a southern lady inside of us. You just got to access it. You got to get deep down in there.
Your heart.
You just got to find it in your heart. It's in your tiny little heart, sugar.
My arm's so weak. I wonder.
Let me see it.
Like, I don't know if we can even get this up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's one.
Oh, owie.
Yeah. They're on my belly,
Aww.
behind my ears.
Yeah, let me see that one.
In my hair. I don't know if you can see the one behind my ear.
I saw a bunch yesterday, but your neck
right
looks
here.
okay.
This is one. Oh, right here. Oh, you see it?
Oh.
My beard
the
protected
side of your
my
face.
chin, so I don't have any on my. That's good.
There was a point when he had bugs crawling into his beard. Like I could see them crawling in.
Yeah.
It's like they're gonna build a little nest in there.
They did. They're probably gonna hatch any day now.
Let's go see if the gift shop has
Some sort of cream.
calendula cream.
Yeah.
Found it. Insect bites.
So we had a wonderful day at sea, and the next day, Skyler's a bit itchy this morning because he got bit by all the bugs.
How many bites?
Not too shabby. The shower kind of reinvigorated the 10 that are up on my skull area. This
Did
region.
you get bit in the tattoo?
Yeah, right here.
Rude.
You can't see it. Yeah, they bit my lion right in the mouth.
So rude.
That is a bold insect.
But other than that, great trip.
And we'll see you in the next video.